Hello everyone, today we are going to go over the quick add feature for adding contacts into DialMyCalls. To get to the contacts section, click on Contacts. Click on Quick Add to copy and paste a list of phone numbers into your account. This is great if you have a text file as pictured to the right here, or an email that only contains phone numbers. Copy your numbers and then click in the pop-up and paste those numbers into DialMyCalls. You are also able to add these quick add numbers into a custom contact group to keep them organized. Once done, click Save and Close. You will now see all of those numbers are available in your DialMyCalls account and are ready to be sent a broadcast. That wraps up our video on using the quick add feature to add contacts into DialMyCalls. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.